your English educator from Countryside International School. I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourselves and your parents. Today we shall continue first chapter of grade 2 English, that is Grandma's Classes. So today we will be discussing the vocabulary of the chapter, the question answers of the chapter and the word meanings. Let's get started with the task.
Lesson 1, Grandma's Classes. Let us look at the vocabulary of the chapter. First word is glasses. Glasses means spectacles. We use glasses when our eyes are a little weak and the glasses help us to see better, and in case we are going out in the sun, then we can also wear sunglasses or dark glasses as we call them, in order to protect our eyes from the heat of the sun. Second, favorite. Favorite means most liked. For example, mango is my favorite fruit. Third, newspaper. Newspaper we get daily in our houses. It gives us news about what is happening in the surroundings. Number 4, picnic. Nothing to be explained here, I'm sure. Number 5, 6 and 7. Veena, Madhav, Aji. As we discussed earlier that in the story of Grandma's Glasses, there are 5 characters. There are 2 children in the house, parents and a grandparent, that is the grandmother. So Veena and Madhav are siblings. Then there is a grandmother whom they call Aji. Why do they call her Aji? Because in Marathi, grandmothers are called Ajis. Number 8, searching. To search for something means to look for something or to try to find something. As we can say that Aji was searching for her glasses. Number 9, surprise. Surprise is something that we get unexpectedly. Number 10, balcony. It is a place in our house. Number 11, shelf. Again a place in our house or a piece of furniture that helps us keep things organized in an organized way in the house. We'll be looking at these 2 words separately again. Number 12, hiding. I'm sure you all are aware of the game of hide and seek. So hiding means to not be seen. Number 13, suddenly. Suddenly means unexpectedly. 14, because. Because means whenever we want to give a reason for something, we use the word because. I have switched on the fan because it is very hot. Now let us look at words to know. First word, balcony. It is an open room or a small terrace facing outside the house, as is very evident from the picture. So that is the balcony. Next, shelf. A flat part of a piece of furniture or the wall where things can be kept. As you can see, the picture on the left hand side shows a kitchen shelf, whereas the picture on the right shows a bookshelf. Now let us look at the question answers. Question 1. What was Aji doing in the drawing room? The answer is Aji was sitting on her favorite chair and reading the newspaper in the drawing room. Now observe the words which have been underlined in the question and answer. In the question, it is was Aji, whereas in the answer, it is Aji was. This means that the set of words is the same, just the sequence of words is different. Was is a verb, whereas aji is a noun. In question, while asking the question, it is always the case that the verb will come first and the noun will come later on. But in the answer, the reverse happens. And therefore, everywhere in every question you will find that the sequence will be exactly opposite. So we have to be careful about it while writing the answers. Now let us go to the next question. Question 2. What was the family getting ready for? Here again, if you see, was the family getting ready for. Let's only look at was the family. Now, if we have to change the sequence for the answer, we will write the family was getting ready for picnic. Question 3. What was Aji looking for? The answer is Aji was looking for her glasses. Again, when you read the question, be very careful. What was Aji is the sequence of words, whereas while writing the answer, we should write Aji was. It will not come was Aji looking for her glasses. That will be wrong. The correct sequence would be Aji was looking for her glasses. Question 4. Who found what Aji was searching for? Where was it? Here, the answer is very easy because we just have to replace one word with the answer and the rest of the sentence will remain the same as it is in the question. That is, we have to write Madhav, that is the person who found the glasses, in place of who, and the rest of the sentence will remain same. That is, Madhav found what Aji was searching for. Now next question is, where was it? While writing the answer, it will not be the same. We cannot write was it on her head. We will be writing the opposite. That is, we'll be reversing the sequence. It will be it was on her head. Question 5. Why could they not find it before? Could they? Reverse it. They could not find it before because it was hiding in her hair. Now, whenever in a question why is given, it means that we have to write a reason for something. In order to write the reason, we use the word because. So, whenever we have to give reason for something, we can use the word because. Same way as it is written in the answer. I hope you enjoyed the session. Happy learning. Thank you.
So CIS scholars, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Wish you all a very happy learning time. Till the time I come up with another session and another video, keep learning, keep reading new things and be happy.